ngithi mina it's because awungizwa uyezwa ngithi mina umseshi waleli cala ufike kimi ngihleli phansi no IO we-case yami against your Kennedy uyezwa uthi wenze kahle wazizela because ngiyakufuna no Jacinta uyangizwisa sizwe leso Zulu noma ufuna uzokutolikela oba mina ngitolikele futhi usendaweni wrong la I'm saying to you iloya kaJacinta ifonelwe yimi uzuma no Jacinta ngimtshela ukuthi kuthiwa siyafuneka.
The very same lawyer agreed with the IO that Jacinta you and other people will come at a later date to take your warning statement, not today.
Lalela awungizwi ukuthi ngithini yezwa yini awungizwi ukuthi ngithini ngithi no sorry baba ngithi that's not harassment that's not ngeke ungishiye ngikhuluma no mise wena kangilalela mise wena ngilalela ngeke uthi ngishiye kanje ukhuluma ngento address case ngine case engane yami mina elimene oqhubekayo isikhathi wena mina ngifuna ngisize manje I'm not talking about the court cases. Remember, I told you I was coming for a consultation. Ngidinga usizo manje. Nimfonele ngicela ukuthi ngineleka ngisenyezela mina. Even udokotela kwazi ukuthalisa i-88.
Here we are. How do I assist now here?
Nithe angize la udokotela ufuna nize kwanini esibhedlela nengikhale for J88. Uthi uKennedy wakho angime la. Angisizakele ngithi kuphele 4 hours wena ucabanga ukuthi aphathebinde yoKennedy ubani lo mayeza okuyena ovulele case la ayisuka anifune namuntu onengqondo wazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani hamba ngakini yosebenza ngakini sikhuluma isiZulu ukile awu vele ikhitha soyidila namakorekore kwawena yesikwerezela mawuqala amakorekore abantu abamakhaya isiZulu sithi umuthi kwere ngingakuzwa uyangikwerezela hayi ukuthi sithi kwerekore ngoba ungakhathi uyikwerekore ngwane suka la Kaya nimvulele. Animvulele la. Uphi lo mfazi uphi lo Kennedy wena?